Sup everyone, yes, I'm back. My second video. Clearly I'm bored. But anyway, uh, going into tomorrow's match, United have a really disappointing result behind their back, in their bag, and Chelsea, on the other hand, have been just going from good to better to best every match. Not, not a good sign for a United supporter. Before we talk about the Chelsea match that is tomorrow, I'd like to wrap up on what happened last weekend at West Brom. It was not good. I mean, especially considering the fact that we scored some brilliant goals and we played some attacking football, which was really, really good to watch on the eye. But the result didn't go in our favor because of our defense, which has been continuously letting us down from the start of last season, if you would say, and it has not gotten better at all despite the signing of Marcus Rojo and Luke Shaw. It's just not getting better, and this needs to be fixed properly. Talking about the first goal, I don't really blame the defense in that goal precisely. Marking was not good, but yeah, Di Maria should have anticipated Wisdom's run far better, but he did not, and that was the fuck up over there. And then the goal was scored. Beautiful finish by Sessegnon, and you couldn't even do anything about that. Even De Gea couldn't save that, couldn't save our ass right there. And then something happened in the start of the second half, which really got my emotions high. Marouane Fellaini scored a brilliant goal. I mean, the emotion that went into that goal when he scored that was so good to see. I mean, that's what football is about, right? You score a goal and then you just don't give a shit about anything and just celebrate like a mad dog like he did, and that was really amazing to watch. And once again, after that, stupid mistake by Phil Jones, which cost us the second goal. Really disappointing. And I mean, it's quite evident that the back line is not gelling together. I don't know what Van Gaal is doing at the moment with all his training drills and everything that he's been talking about and what all the media has been reporting. But dude, fix the back line, man. No point giving weights and fucking dumbbells to your players if you can't defend like a simple through ball. Like it was a FIFA goal. The goal with Saido Berahino who scored. Defender went up, the midfielder found a space in the middle, passed it, Berahino went and finished. I mean, what the fuck? Like, that's how simple it was. And I'm like, at that moment I was like, okay, we have Chelsea coming up on Sunday. What the fuck are we gonna do? Okay, that really blew my entire hope and anticipation that was developing in many of our fans' hearts when Fellaini scored that goal. Moving on, at least we got some consolation with the beautiful finish from Daley Blind, and it's good to see that besides the defenders, the new defenders, that most of the attacking players and the midfielders are settling in very well in the club. And Herrera, Blin, Falcao, Maria, Di Maria, they've all been contributing, to say the least. I mean, they have made a big impact so far in an attacking aspect. But Rojo and Shaw have yet to show their worth. They're still early times, and hopefully they will be making a better fight of things in the future matches. So, moving that aside, we have Chelsea on Sunday. Thus far, the biggest match of our season, playing against the best team in England at the moment and one of the best in Europe, if you want to put it that way. Everything is going Chelsea's way at the moment. They have a fantastic squad, the best squad in the Premier League. They have the best man manager in the Premier League. They have a brilliant tactician in them, and they have to, the most important aspect I feel what they have is a solid backline. I mean, their defense is so good that they don't need to park the bus anymore. I mean, they're that good at the moment. So they just good. I mean, I feel very bad saying this. I'm a United fan, but I have no other option to say this. Chelsea are going to kick us tomorrow unless we do something about it. improve our defense. Simple as that. It's easier said than done. Um, we really have to attack them with pace and hope Di Maria, just praying that he plays well, and a lot depends on him, how we attack, and the home support, how Old Trafford reacts to the way we play. And another interesting point is, will Jose Mourinho risk Diego Costa? Considering that City lost today, there is not that big of a need for playing Costa. Chelsea are good without him too. I feel Andre Schürrle and Drogba can do an equally good job in tandem. So it's going to be really interesting to see how both these teams match up together. Chelsea on one hand, tremendous form, brilliant team cohesion, the passing has been very good, and the understanding between the players has been fantastic. Fabregas has gelled in so well, defense is rock solid, and it's impossible to break down. And on the other hand, we have this very inconsistent team in United, which goes very it goes hot and cold. Once it's like firing on all cylinders, and then another time United are just down and out with a simple through ball or a simple aerial ball, and we are screwed. We don't know what to do to that. So it's going to be hard. I feel we have to stick to our basics. We can't make stupid mistakes in defense. If that happens, we are fucked. We are really fucked. And let's see what happens. According to me, my brain tells me we will be on the receiving end of 3 goals and we will not score even one. But my heart tells me 2-0 United. Glory, glory, man.